Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum first class. How are you all students? I hope everybody will be fine and enjoying a safe and sound health with the blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Dear students, as you know that we have started our first one play, that is Heat Lightning, and I told you about it, and of course we were reading that how a girl of 23 or 25 years old, she was the witness of a murder, and because the murderer, he had seen her, so he chased her, and in order to get a rescue from that killer, she went into a bus station. Okay, and in that bus station there was already a man who was sitting there, and she had a conversation with her because she was a lot of afraid, and the man, he tried to console her. Okay, so open your text. Okay beta, yes girl, he will be here, I'm scared, oh God, I'm scared. Now she is telling to the man that he would be here any minute. Okay, and she is afraid, she's scared means she is afraid, वो डरी है, खौफ ज़्यादा है. Okay, and now what the man says, did he see you? क्या उसने तुम्हें देखा? Girl, maybe flashlight, maybe I screamed, I don't know, I don't think I screamed. कहते हैं मेरा नहीं ख्याल कि मैं जो है वो स्क्रीमिंग की थी, मैं चीखी चलाई थी, ऐसा मेरा नहीं जहन, मेरा ख्याल नहीं कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ था. I was too frightened mean afraid, I was so much afraid. I looked up, I knew he saw me, I dropped the flashlight and started running. कहते कि I looked up, मैंने उसकी तरफ देखा. Okay, and what happened next, I could hear him behind me. I dropped the flashlight. जी बेटा, the very much important incident that she dropped the flashlight over there. ठीक है, उसने अपनी flashlight जो बेटा उसने वहीं पे फेंक दी थी, and started running. I could hear him behind me, I could hear the water splashing under his feet as he ran. अब उसने क्या देखा बेटा, क्या सुना कि जो water है, it was splashing, कि जो पानी के छींटे या पानी के उड़ने की आवाज़ आ रही थी under his feet as he ran. Okay, I knew he was behind me, I was afraid, I was going to faint. ठीक है, I faint unconscious. कहती कि मैं जो है वो faint जैसे कि unconscious होने वाली थी, and I ran crazy like all over the road. कहती मैं तकरीबन जो है वो पूरी रोड पर like a crazy, like a mad person I was running. Then I ran off the road. फिर off the road mean he came off the road, वो सड़क से नीचे उतर आई, and into the woods. Woods mean बेटा forest, and she entered into the wood, into the forest. Then बेटा these small dashes, they are the pauses of his speech, of her speech, that she is not very much fluent, because she was quiet, she was a lot of afraid that she couldn't express her feelings and couldn't express the whole situation, the whole circumstances that what happened with her. Okay, so I circled round and round hoping I will lose him. कहती मैं उसके इर्द गिर्द जो है I moved from here to there so that I would lose him, maybe कि मैं जो है वो उसे अपना पीछा छुड़ा लूँ. ठीक है, but I kept hearing something behind me. I ran until I fell. I know there was no use, I couldn't keep it up, but then I realized I must have lost him because I didn't hear him anymore. So beta, she tried a lot to get escape from that killer, and she went here and there, and until she fell, and then she said that then I realized I must have lost him, कि उसको लगा कि जैसे वो वहाँ से चला गया है. Man, and you came straight here then? कहते उसके बाद then you came straight here, फिर सीधी तुम यहाँ पे आई हो? Girl, yes. Oh, he's still out there. Oh, somewhere he will be here. Oh God, I know he will. कहते कि मुझे लगता है कि वो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, वो यही कहीं है. Because she was afraid now, so she was thinking that maybe he is outside of the bus station. Okay, so next, girl. Oh God, yes. Oh God, please let it come quickly. अच्छा, sorry, मैं ये man का dialogue skip हो गया. Man, the bus will be here soon and you will be all right. कहते कि बस यहाँ पे फौरन ही आ जाएगी and you will be all right. Okay, girl. Yes. Oh God, please let it come quickly. कि वो जल्दी से बस यहाँ पे आ जाए so that I may sit in the bus and go to my home. Man, you'll have to get to the police immediately. Immediately means instantly, for a now, that you should go to the police and you should report the whole incident. Okay, girl, no, I couldn't, I don't want to, I afraid, कहती मैं नहीं जाना चाहती because I'm afraid, मैं डरी हुई हूँ, खौफज़दा हूँ. Man, but you must, but you should go, it's your duty. This is a dreadful thing, ये बहुत ही dreadful thing है, it's very horrible, frightful, terrible thing है, ठीक है, that the whole incident, it is quite terrible. God, I know, but what could I tell them? Now she's asking the person that what should she tell them, उनको क्या बताएगी, because she was not very much sure of what she saw. Yes ma'am, tell them what you told me just now. कहता उन्होंने वही कुछ बताओ जो कि तुमने मुझे अभी बताया है. गर्ल, that wouldn't be enough. They would want me to describe him, maybe identify him. I couldn't. I just couldn't. कहती मैं तो उसको I couldn't explain the person, I couldn't identify, I couldn't recognize the killer. That they would ask, and this is right, beta, that the police, they investigate a lot of things, and she was. Because she was so much afraid and she couldn't explain the person very much clearly, so she was reluctant from going to police station. Okay, man, are you sure you couldn't think of something that might give them a lead? Lead mean beta clue. कहते कि तुम्हारा नहीं ख्याल? No beta, look at this thing that this man is trying to investigate, that how much does she girl know? And dear students, can you get the feeling that maybe this man killer? So while I'm reading, I am getting this feeling that maybe this person is he would be the killer, because he is asking her all the details, that to how much extent does she know about the killer. Okay, so okay, let's read, and in the end the story will reveal that what happened and who was the actual killer. Okay, I just couldn't. Man, are you sure you couldn't think of something that might give them a lead? Anything? Girl, I don't even know what he looked like. I couldn't see him very well. I was so frightened. She was quite right that she was so much afraid that she couldn't see him very well. Because she wanted to save her own life, no? That's why she didn't see him clearly. Man, nevertheless, however, you have got to go to police. Now he's trying to intricate her that she should go to the police station. I don't know. What should I do? The girl is confused. Man, they'll ask you a lot of questions, of course, but I'm sure you can answer most of them. After you tell them the story, the way you told it to me, there will be routine questions, but they will be simple. They will probably ask you something like, was he wearing a hat? How was he dressed? So the man is saying her that you should go to the police station, and they will ask a very simple question. For example, what type of was he wearing a hat, or what was the dressing of that particular person? Okay, girl, I don't even know that. लेकिन मुझे तो ये भी नहीं पता, ठीक है, कि that what kind of dressing, what kind of dress he was wearing, he was putting on that time. Man, or was he tall? Was he short? How would you describe him generally? No, he is asking, he is investigating like a policeman. ठीक है, policeman की तरफ से investigate कर रहा है that was he tall or a short, or can you describe him generally? Girl, I don't know. I swear I just don't know. कहती मुझे नहीं पता, मैं कसम खाती हूँ, मुझे नहीं पता उसके बारे में. Okay? Now, what happened? In the lightning, are you sure you didn't see his face at all? And as she told him that there was lightning when she saw all the incident, and therefore the first man is asking her that in the lightning, didn't you see his face at all? Okay. Yes, the girl says, I don't remember. Maybe he was wearing a hat or something. I don't remember seeing his face. कहती मैं तो उसका चेहरा देख के ना I can't remember. मैं पहचान नहीं सकूँ. ठीक है? Man, but you saw the girl. लेकिन तुमने कहता girl को तो देखा था. Girl, no, I didn't. कहती नहीं, मेरा नहीं ख्याल मैंने देखा था. Man, but you said her hair was light and you saw her hand. Yes, I did, in the lightning. I think yes, I saw her. Okay, man, but you don't remember seeing him? लेकिन कहते तुम्हें वो याद नहीं, man याद नहीं? Girl, no, I don't. She began sobbing. Now she again started crying. Okay? Ma'am, I'm sorry, I shouldn't be going on like this. You are much too upset to even think any more about it. Don't worry about it anymore. Something will come to you later that you have forgotten about right now. You will see. Beta, now he is excusing her that he has troubled her a lot. ठीक है, उसने उसको काफ़ी ज़्यादा परेशान कर दिया है. And he is trying to console her that be calm down and time will come and you will remember all the things, all the incident that you have forgotten right now. Because perhaps, man, your flashlight, for instance, you could identify that, couldn't you? Now he's asking about her flashlight, that can she recognize, identify her flashlight or not? God, yes, but man, there you see, now look, points to women's room. Go in there and dry your eyes and fix yourself up, you will see much better. कहते अब आप जो कहते कि उस रूम में जाओ जो गर्ल्स का रूम है, ठीक है, वहाँ पे जाओ और अपने आप को जो है वो फ्रेश करो, ठीक है, और जो उस तरह से देखो, फिक्स योरसेल्फ, यू विल सी, यू फील मच बेटर. कहते तुम्हें जो है वो अच्छा लगेगा अगर तुम जाओगी वहाँ पे अपना होलिया ठीक कर लोगे, तुम्हें अच्छा लगेगा. गर्ल, यू वॉन्ट लीव, विल यू? कहते तुम यहाँ से मत जाना, ठीक है. Man, of course, not my dear, I will be right. कहता मैं यही नहीं. Okay, beta, it's enough for today, and I hope you have well understood the text that I am explaining before you. And beta, you have to read the text and you will memorize the similar meaning that I am telling you side by side. Okay, dear students, up to tomorrow's lecture. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.